In this video, I will be showing you guys how to make YouTube promote your content. So let's get right into the video, shall we? Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Up to Date. I'm your host Michael. Before we get into the video, I will be grateful if you subscribe and turn the notification on so you won't miss any of our content. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So you guys will notice this when you go into YouTube Studio. You will find something that says YouTube promoting content. Well, what this means is, sometime after some video, YouTube says that up next, that is the content YouTube promote. Well, to get yourself promoted by YouTube, you'll need three things: click-through rate, watch time, and audience mention. Well, we'll start with click-through rate. This represents the clicks you get from people who sees your thumbnail. Well, the more people that click your thumbnail, the more that YouTube promote. Well, to get more click, you will need to make a thumbnail that stands out from other YouTubers. Well, to get a better thumbnail, you must use your imagination to make a quality thumbnail, and it must be attractive so people will click on it. Well, what about watch time? Watch time represents how long does people stay on your content. Well, in this case, audience retention is important. What I mean is, to get more information on watch time, you'll need to look at audience retention. You might want to know what is audience retention. Well, there is a certain part of video that people don't interested in or click off from the video. Well, what this means is, you get views, but this hurts your watch time. To end this problem, you'll need to look at the part that people click off and find what is making people bored. Like the intro or content that you say, or the background music is too loud. So you can change this problem very quick and your watch time will grow with it. So if you follow all these steps, YouTube will definitely promote your content. So if you find this information useful, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other video, all useful information from Mr. Up to Date. And see you guys on another video.